Namaste to all JM students. I am JM Rajendra Chaudhary, Department of Science and Technology. Today we will discuss on the topic of advanced Java programming, and the session name is the classes of swings. Basically, the previous lecture we briefly introduced about the definitions, some definitions, features of swings. Today we are covered the complete the classes that develop a desktop application, desktop application. To there are some swings classes like JButton, JClass, JText, area, JLevel, JScroll, and these are the classes of swings. Basically, these all classes, some classes we introduced in AWT, Abstract Window Toolkit, but some limited classes we study in AWT because AWT is a platform dependent programming language, but Swings is a platform independent Java programming language. We can set the tools, and there are some Java classes like classes. Container classes are the classes that can have other component on it. So for creating a GUI, suppose you create a GUI application, you create a console application, you create a desktop applications on the desktop graphical user interface, we need at the least one container object. A container is a must compulsory for to create a console application, desktop application. There are the type of container like panel, JFrame, and there are some classes like JButton, JRadio buttons classes, JText area classes, JCombo box classes, JTable classes, JColor chooser classes, JProgress bar classes, slider classes, digital board classes, graphics. These are some extra classes unlike to AWT. And next slide we briefly introduce usually is classes like JButton. JButton class is used to create a label button that has platform independent implementation. That applications result in some actions when the button is pushed. There are some images, the output of this code. There are the container. This container holds some button. In that button name is click here. Click here is the label name, and this is the coordinations of this button, like the size coordinations of this button 50, 100, and 95 and 30. Basically, let's we take an example of JButton. Firstly, we import some packages of JButton swings for swings, like import javax.swings, the package of swing tools, and let's we take a class name button example, mentions the main method, create an instance of JFrame class, this one, and this button example is the title of your container. This one describes the frame or the title of button example. JButton B is instance of JButton class, and push the name of JButton like click here, and set the bound. This is a method of frame classes, add, set size, self layout, set visible. This is of the method of JFrame. This is an inbuilt method of that defined in the JavaX swing packages. And next is JLevel. JLevel, the object of JLevel class is a component of for placing text in a container. Same like JButton also push on your container. It is used to display a single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by an application, but an user cannot be edited directly. It inherits the component classes. Let's we take example of JLevel. Firstly, there are the syntax of how to use the JLevel in your Java programming code. Firstly, this is extend the J component and implement strings constant accessible, and this is the javax.swing is a package name, and level exam is a class name, main method mentions JFrame is field, f is a instance of JFrame, and the title of level is level example, this one, and there is a L1 and L2 is a variable of JLevel, And you also said that L1 and L2 is the instance of J level classes. And first level set the bound 50, 50, 100 and 30, and second level also mentions the set bounds 50, 100, 100 and 30. This is the coordinations of the level, left to right, bottom to top, and set bound, add, set size, same like previous classes. These are all these predefined methods and they're defined in the Java X.string. Third is the text field. This is an example of the text field. Simply this text field class is text component that allow the editing of a single line text only. This is the editable of classes. It is inherit text component classes. You can say that the text component inherited by the text field. This is a simple example of the text field. And next is the text area. This is a scenario of the text area, and this also editable. The text area, it allows the editing of multiple line text area. Is a combination of row and column, and you also give the combination the length and width according to user. Here is fix the size, set the size 300, 300, 300 width and 300 length. This is size of this text area. And same method are mentioned here: set visible, set layout, set size, and add, set bounds. And last is the password field. Basically, the password field is used to this text component specifies for password entry. It allows the editing of a single line of text, inherits the text field classes, and some code of the text, the password field. Same like firstly we take the JFrame and create an instance of JFrame F, and also take classes the password field. The password field is the classes that hold the some values, and values instance of the password field. And the label name is password. Here is a display. This is a label, and this is the password field. Here this container hold the two type of classes. First is label, and second is the password field. And set the size, layout, and visible bound. Okay, thank you so much.